Hi, this is a demo video from Synergy Software. Today, I'll be showing the normal operation for using the cash register XE-A137. So first of all, we have a look on the department section here. The department button here is for item charging purpose. First, this model, we have total 4 departments by default. If you press the shift button and the respective department, we can go for total 8 department in the cash register. For example, the 1 is chicken. If I press a shift and the 1 again, you become department 5, which is meat. The department name and the price can be preset using the Sharp software. To do a sales, first we enter the amount, for the item, followed by the respective department code. Example, chicken. From the screen, you can see we only need to enter 200 because for this model, it automatically considered as 2 decimal places. If you want to enter the multiple quantity for the item, you can press the number of quantity first, followed by the X button here, and then we enter the amount of the item, followed by their respective department. Once we done key in all the items, we can press the subtotal here, and then we can have a look on the total amount for the receipt. If customers are paying by credit card, we can press the CR button here. If customers are paying by check, we can press the CH button here. If customers are paying by cash amount, we need to enter the total amount that they are paying right now, followed by the cash button here. Once we're done, the cash register you open and the receipt will be printed out. If you have any cash balance, it will be showing on the receipt screen here. After that, if you want to reprint the receipt, we can press the copy button here. It will reprint the receipt. But this copy receipt will only printed the last bill. For previous transaction, it will not be printed. After we enter the amount, followed by the respective department, if you want to cancel this amount out from the receipt, you need to rekey in back the same amount. We press the white button here, followed by the same department. From the screen here, it will show automatically minus the same amount out from the receipt. If you key in multiple items in the receipt, after that, customers saying they want to cancel the whole bill, we can press the subtotal button here, followed by the void button, and press the subtotal button again. It will void the whole receipt out. So that's all for today. Thank you.